Welcome back, fellow cosmic adventurers, to another exhilarating journey through the mysteries of the universe. Today, we embark on an exploration of the most enigmatic and awe-inspiring concept in the realm of speculative science, the Type 8 civilization. Imagine a civilization so advanced that it transcends the boundaries of our comprehension. A civilization that exists beyond the confines of space and time, shrouded in mystery and speculation. Join me as we dive deep into the realm of theoretical cosmology to uncover the secrets of the elusive Type 8 civilization. Before we venture into the realm of speculation, let's first revisit the Kardashev scale, a theoretical framework proposed by Soviet astronomer Nikolai Kardashev in 1964 for classifying civilizations in types based on their energy consumption and technological capabilities. At the lowest rung of the scale lies the Type 0 civilization, a designation that humanity proudly occupies. As a Type 0 civilization, we have yet to harness the full potential of our planet's energy resources, let alone establish a sustainable global energy infrastructure. Despite our technological achievements, we remain in the infancy of our cosmic journey, with much left to explore and discover. We have Type 1 civilizations, capable of harnessing the energy resources of their home planet. These civilizations have mastered renewable energy sources, achieved global unity, and established a sustainable presence on their planet, tapping into the power of fission, fusion, and renewable sources to fuel their technological infrastructure. Interplanetary spaceflight, megascale planetary engineering, and medical breakthroughs are commonplace, ushering in an era of unprecedented progress and innovation. Moving up the scale, we encounter Type 2 civilizations, which have expanded their energy consumption to encompass the power of entire stars. These civilizations may construct a Dyson sphere, a hypothetical megastructure proposed by physicist Freeman Dyson that encompasses a star and captures a large percentage of its solar power output. With the energy of an entire star at their disposal, Type 2 civilizations possess the means to power vast interstellar civilizations and colonize entire star systems. The existence of such civilizations may seem like the stuff of science fiction, but there are tantalizing hints that we may not be alone in the universe. Take, for example, the enigmatic Tabby's star, a distant celestial object that has captured the imagination of astronomers and the public alike. Discovered by the Kepler Space Telescope in 2015, Tabby's star exhibits erratic and unexplained dimming patterns, leading some to speculate that it could be the result of an alien megastructure, a Dyson sphere, harvesting the star's energy. As we ponder the existence of advanced civilizations capable of harnessing the energy of entire stars, we must also consider the implications of such technological prowess. For a Type 2 civilization, the greatest challenge lies in the eventual depletion of their parent star's energy reserves. Without careful planning and foresight, a Type 2 civilization risks facing a crisis of energy scarcity, compelling them to seek out new sources of power to sustain their interstellar empire. Beyond Type 2 lies the realm of Type 3 civilizations, capable of harnessing the energy resources of entire galaxies. These civilizations have mastered interstellar travel, colonized multiple star systems, and established a network of interconnected civilizations, spanning vast cosmic distances. But what lies beyond Type 3? Enter the realm of speculative science, where the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. Type 4 civilizations, often referred to as galactic superpowers, possess the ability to manipulate the very fabric of space-time. These civilizations may harness the power of black holes, manipulate wormholes, and even create new universes, a testament to their mastery over the fundamental laws of physics. But the journey doesn't end there. Type 5 civilizations, often depicted as multiversal architects, transcend the confines of a single universe. These entities possess the ability to traverse the multiverse, manipulating the very fabric of reality across infinite dimensions. Imagine beings capable of creating and destroying entire universes at will, a concept that challenges our understanding of existence itself. Beyond Type 5 lies the realm of Type 6 civilizations, entities that exist outside the constraints of space and time. These civilizations, often referred to as cosmic architects, possess the ability to shape the very structure of reality itself. Picture beings capable of creating new dimensions, manipulating the laws of physics, and transcending the boundaries of mortal comprehension. But the ultimate frontier of cosmic evolution lies in the realm of Type 7 civilizations, entities that exist beyond the confines of our known universe. These enigmatic beings, often depicted as cosmic entities, possess a level of consciousness that transcends mortal comprehension. Imagine beings of pure energy, capable of traversing the cosmos at will, their consciousness intertwined with the very fabric of existence. Then there's Type 8. The Type 8 civilization represents the pinnacle of technological advancement, a civilization so advanced that it blurs the line between science and fiction. But what sets Type 8 apart from its predecessors? At the core of this civilization lies the ability to manipulate reality itself. Picture beings of pure energy, capable of traversing the cosmos at will, transcending the limitations of space and time. These entities exist beyond the confines of our known universe, their consciousness intertwined with the very fabric of existence. So how did such a civilization come into being? According to speculative theories, Type 8 entities may have evolved from the remnants of advanced Type 7 civilizations, transcending their physical forms to become beings of pure energy. Alternatively, they may have originated from a cosmic event, a cataclysmic phenomenon that birthed a new form of consciousness. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Type 8 civilization is its mastery over reality itself. These entities possess the power to shape the very fabric of space and time, bending the laws of physics to their will. From creating pocket universes to manipulating the fundamental forces of nature, the possibilities are as boundless as the cosmos itself. But with great power comes great responsibility, and the existence of Type 8 entities raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in the universe. Are they benevolent custodians of cosmic harmony, guiding the evolution of lesser civilizations? Or are they indifferent to the struggles of mortal beings, their motives veiled in mystery? While the existence of Type 8 civilizations remains speculative, their implications for the future of humanity are profound. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the cosmos, let us ponder the tantalizing possibilities of encountering such advanced beings, a prospect that both excites and intimidates scientists and dreamers alike. As we peer into the vast expanse of the universe, we're confronted with the humbling realization that our understanding of the cosmos is but a flickering candle in the darkness. With each new discovery, we inch closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe and charting our place within it. But amidst the boundless expanse of the cosmos, there is also room for wonder and awe. From the ancient mysteries of the Great Pyramid to the enigmatic ruins of Machu Picchu, there are tantalizing hints of civilizations that once thrived on our planet, their achievements lost to the mists of time. Yet even as we contemplate the achievements of these ancient civilizations, we must also acknowledge the challenges that lie ahead. For as we journey deeper into the cosmos, we are confronted with the stark reality of our own limitations, the finite resources of our planet, the fragile balance of our ecosystem, and the ever-present threat of cosmic cataclysm. There is always hope, for in the vast expanse of the universe, there exists the potential for infinite discovery and exploration. With each new technological advancement, we inch closer to unlocking the secrets of the cosmos and charting a course toward a brighter future for all of humanity. In the end, the journey of humanity is not just a quest for knowledge and understanding, but a testament to the indomitable spirit of exploration and discovery that defines us as a species. As we gaze upon the stars and contemplate the mysteries of the universe, Let us remember that the cosmos is not just a canvas upon which we paint our dreams, but a vast, untamed wilderness waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic odyssey. If you've enjoyed unraveling these mysteries, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures. Until next time, may the universe ignite your curiosity and inspire you to seek wonder in all things. Stay curious and keep exploring.